Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to create synopsis in just 2 minutes. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to create synopsis in just 2 minutes. First, open the project proposal in Word. Create another file called synopsis and give the heading synopsis and title of the project. Then copy the introduction, objectives, scope of the project, future scope of the project, structure of the program from project proposal and paste it into synopsis. It is similar to the project proposal. We have to add 3 headings: project category, hardware requirement and software requirement in this project. Final output of synopsis. If you like this video, please like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.